Well, guys, I'm listening to fireworks. And Mocha's here too. You can't see her because, of course, she's black. But my dad's here too. Say hi. So that was my dad, if you heard it. It was weird. But I'm trying to get a shot of these fireworks. Mocha didn't even pay attention to them. I think she'll be okay. I'm trying to get a good video footage of them. There. There. If it shoots, I'll catch it. Yep. Yeah, I know. Those other, David's son-in-law's got a light on his house over there.
It's been back about 2006 or so. They'd probably been over there.
Probably.
Guys, you're on video, by the way.
You don't get invited to all that fun no more.
Your voices are on video. Sorry about my parents, guys. I'm waiting for these stupid people to shoot some fireworks, but it's not working.
We'll pause it until they do. Here we go, here we go. Whoa! It's okay, girl.
She's fine, Mom. Cody used to take her with us up the mountain to see him.
Right off.
She's used to him.
You can't really hear them that great.
I can't. Was that, what was... There no big bees out right now. They got a big old fire down there, too. You guys can't see my face. You can't see my face. You can't see Mocha's face, but she's on the swing. Mocha, are you here, babe? And my parents are right there.
Hi.
They can't see you.
Well, you can hear.
Mocha, stop growling. Stop. You're going to make her run and growl, Dad. Don't do it. Look how red, if you can see how red the glow is, that is the fire. So, I'm exhausted, but, you know, it's okay. What in the world?
I can hear it. You don't think it's one of those sisters that used to own which one?
You guys can see my face now. They can see my face now.
Cool.
It's because this thing's down. But, yeah. There we go. You can kind of see it right here. There's my eyes. But I'm just going to forget it. Come on, bro. I'm kind of waiting for something here.
Yeah, a whole bunch of bottle rockets in there somewhere.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay.
Oh, it's pretty. Here.
I'm so sad. I'm so sad that we can't have our own fireworks. Well, we have a big old sky thunder. I'm going to show it to you when we get inside, Dad. Big old thing. I seen it to Isaac. And he was freaked out about it. But Mocha's not with me.
Here we go.
I'm trying to get a little, just, you know. That red glaze is a fire. What's that?
You know what stairs under this?
Okay, it's still recording. Okay. Oh, that's hot. Dude, shoot him in the air, genius. I mean, if you're that unintelligent.
The wood burnt popping like that and cracking.
No, that's a fire. That's fireworks right there.
Baby, I'm gonna let you down, okay? Go sit over there with Mama. Go on, go sit with Mama. Go, go. Go sit with Mama.
Come here, baby. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Mom, the video can hear you. The video can hear you.
Thank you.
The video can hear you.
I don't care.
I do. If people know my mother's like that, they're gonna come to my house and shoot me with a rifle.
That's good. Say stuff like that on there.
People, Okay, these people are taking forever. My arm's tired. That's been all of it, I think. It lasted 5 minutes. Lasted 5 minutes. Somebody's shooting over the mountains.
On your phone.
It's 15 to 11. 15 to 11 there. I gotta see to walk over here. But all you see is black, but my face is like, you know. Guys. Alright guys, I gotta go. Peace.